How to make folders big on the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Now on the home screen here, you can make the folder big so that you can quickly tap on apps without having to open up the folder. To enlarge the folder, simply touch and hold on the folder, then select Enlarge, and that's it. The folder is now in a larger state, so whenever you want to quickly open up an app, you can simply just tap on it to open up an app without having to open up the folder. Here, if you tap on the 3 button or the more button, that will then enlarge the folder. And that's it. So that is how you can make the folder big on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. To shrink the folder, simply touch and hold on the folder and then tap on shrink. That will make the folder smaller again. If the folder is small, you need to tap on it before you can open up an app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.